Alright guys, so I'm just finishing the polishing of this lid for this lidded box that I've been working on the last couple live streams. And so there's one more detail that I need to finish on this, or make, and then, attach to this. It's a little bit of a knob. I'm not sure that I'd call it a finial. It's not going to be all ornate and crazy. I'm really not, I don't have that kind of skill with a detail gouge. I've just never really practiced with it, so I don't really think I want to attempt it necessarily. Just a fairly simple knob. This box has some kind of Asian influence, it feels like to me. So I'm just going to kind of put some, what I think of as kind of some Asian curves on this little knob. And I'm going to go for a black one. I wanted to go for a black knob. That was in my head off the bat for this. So I've got a little piece of ash that I'm going to do a little bit of an ebonizing trick to. Very simple one that I thought I'd share. And I know that I'm not really, I'm not a wood turning channel like your standard wood turning. So this is not going to be an educational how to make a finial or a knob. I just thought I'd share this, mainly because, a lot of people have been kind of following along on the live streams, and I'd like to just get a video out with the whole project finished up and share this little knob ebonizing thing that I'm going to do. So let's get started on this. I'm going to get this off the lathe, get this piece of ash chucked up, and start working on it, and hopefully we'll get this lidded box knocked out really quick. All right, so I got it all turned up and sanded to 400. It's looking good. Now, again, this was supposed to be no frills. This was not a magnificent masterpiece finial. Just kind of a knob that I wanted to put some curvature in and make it black. So at this point, we're going to do the ebonizing effect, and what I'm going to use is India ink, black India ink. And it should just impart that black color, and then that's it. You just apply it, let it dry, and then you just lock it down with something, seal it in a little bit. So we're going to do that now. If you do try to use this stuff, just be warned, this stuff stains everything. Don't get it in your clothes. Make sure you're wearing gloves. Try not to get it on other stuff, because it's not coming out, kind of thing. So let's get on this. Let's see how this works. It's kind of an experiment. I haven't done it for a long time. Never done it on a turning project either. So kind of new realm, but let's see how it goes.